Okay ka lang, Audrey?
It's not
Just look
shaking.
straight.
It's not shaking or anything.
No choice.
Can't go back.
No turning back. I
There's
can
a canal.
see Singapore there.
Singador. I'm going down now. So hello.
Hi!
Yeah, I know. It's been circling around for way too long.
Are we gonna do this 3 times? Our
It's
feet is
it's
already
what
like I can't feel my feet.
I can't. That plane. Do you know that plane has been circling around there 3 times now? I I think the airport is full. What's that?
Cable cars.
No, up there. They
I
can
think it's a ride.
they can see us.
Yeah, I think it's a ride.
Oh, that's so stupid.
I think it's gonna drop.
Ah,
Tingin ka dun sa kanan. May ride na parang magda-drop. Yung kulay puti. I don't like this feeling.
I like it. Very little.
My feet is like so.
I don't. It will drop.